culture has its own tradition and customs that makes it unique. But sometimes, customs or activities can change when people move from one place to another. And as that regards, food common in one country may not be found in another country. Welcome to Cozy Kitchen with the capital K on food and health communication with Eunice Felicity. On this program, we keep you cozy with varieties of food tips, how to make low-budget balanced diet food, simple kitchen hacks, and lots of other packages you don't want me to unveil now. Today's episode will be giving you tips on food to eat to live healthy. Eating healthy food is important no matter where you live. To stay healthy, it's important to learn what food are best for your health. Eating fruits and vegetables at every meal helps you and your family get vitamins you need for good health. Carrots, broccolis, cabbage, spinach, and other leafy greens are some of the many other vegetables that are commonly served with meat, fish, chicken, or pork. Apples, bananas, oranges, pears, and grapes are fruits that are sweet and can be healthy snacks between meals. Salty chips, fried food, and sugar-filled cookies and candies aren't healthy food at all. They fill the body with fat and can lead to health problems. Eating food filled with sugar and fat can make you overweight or make you sick from diabetes or heart diseases. To stay healthy, eat fruits and vegetables and avoid snacks or meals that contains a lot of fats and sugar. In addition to fruits and vegetables, adults and children need some proteins each day. Protein is most commonly eaten from cooked meat, fish or poultry each day. It can also be found in beans, peas, nuts, milk, and also cheese. How much you eat is just as important as what you eat. You must eat enough food in enough variety to satisfy your body's nutritional need. But at the same time, you should not eat too much that you start gaining weight. Gaining too much weight can lead to some health problems. Doctors and nurses can help you know if you're eating more than your body needs. Another way for you to keep your body healthy is to eat slowly. It takes time for food to settle before the stomach feels full. Taking time to eat reduces the chances of eating too much. A healthy diet is full of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy activities. Daily exercise like walking, strolling, dancing helps burn fat and sugars that can make the body gain weight. Adults need 30 minutes of physical activities each day, while children need twice as much activities. Exercise is healthier if practiced each day, like constantly, rather than once in a while or at once. To keep the body moving, pick something fun to do so you enjoy exercises every day. You can exercise while dancing. It's still a form of having fun. Eating healthy food and exercising daily is a recipe for good health. Pick up a hobby and keep yourself happy always. Thank you for staying with me on this show. I'm sure you might have enjoyed one or two things from this smooth ride. This is a production of the Food and Health Communication. A big thanks to our production team. Eunice Felicity here again. Stay safe.